Hi, I'm Joe McDonald, inventor of the Click and Clean. What I'm going to do is give you some tips and tricks to keep your Click and Clean running at its best. So every time you change the bottle, any time of cleaning chemical, whether you're going from the All Floors cleaner to any of our other cleaners, what we're going to want you to do is go ahead and rinse the reservoir with 1 ounce of warm water. And what that does is that actually gets the chemical, the cleaning product that's in there, and it allows it to change it out, allows you to change it out, so you're not going to have any issues. And go ahead and put it, the water inside, squeeze the trigger until that water evacuates, and then go ahead and just mop it up, and you're good to go. Now you can change cleaners. Now, in the event that you let the mop sit for a period of time, say 2 weeks or longer, you're going to want to do the same exact thing. Simply remove the bottle. If there's any cleaner in here, in the reservoir, you see right here, go ahead and go to any sink, just dump it out into the sink, then go ahead, and I want you to see right here, there's a cleaning nozzle right here. What I want you to do is take your thumb, agitate it a few times to break up any debris that might be caught on the outside of that, and then go ahead and reach for our All Floors cleaner, which you see right here. This is the All Floors No Bucket Floor Cleaner. This is going to help actually dissolve whatever's inside there and make it run at its best. All you do is put the cartridge back in, squeeze it 10 to 12 times like I'm doing right here. You can see right here. And I'm going to let the mop sit for about 2 hours. That's going to clean out any remaining residue and make your Click and Clean run at its best. And look at these beautiful floors.